Polyvance's 6071 Bumpersmith 2.0 is a combination nitrogen plastic welder and plastic repair workstation. It is designed to maximize a technician's efficiency when repairing a bumper, headlight, or other plastic part. The Bumpersmith 2.0 has a 3-drawer cabinet with integrated nitrogen plastic welder. The drawers are a convenient place to store plastic welding rods and specialty tools. The welder has adjustable bumper support pads that detach from the cabinet. For compact storage, the pads are folded against the cabinet. To use the workstation, simply remove the bumper pads. Insert the main tube into the socket on the cabinet, and insert the retaining pin at the position to match the size of the bumper you'll be working on. The bumper can be supported in several different ways depending on where the damage is located. Lay the bumper bottom down on top of the pads. Here you can use spring clamps to hold the bumper, or you can stretch one of the supplied bungee cords over the bumper to hold it down. Just put a knot in the cord at the desired spot and put the bungee into the slots at the edge of the pads. The workstation can hold a bumper upside down as well, like this. Using the extension arms and pads, the bumper can be held face down or face up as well. These are convenient positions for working out dents in the face of the bumper. To hold the bumper face down, pull out the extension arms and turn the bar end pads parallel with the bumper. Move the torch holster to the outrigger. Drop the bumper in and clip it to the bar end pads to secure. With the extension arm inserted with the long end up, the bumper may also be held in a vertical position, making it easy to do repairs on either end of the bumper. The pads are great for holding headlights too. Use the bungee cords again to hold the light securely to repair broken tabs. To set the welder up for the first time, you'll need to install the following items. Plug in the hot air welder hose and plug in the electrical connection. Install the work hose so you can run your air tools off the front of the welder. Install your shop's air quick disconnect plug to the air inlet on the back of the welder. Finally, safely secure the nitrogen tank to the back of your welder and install the nitrogen regulator to the bottle. The 6071 Bumpersmith conserves bottled nitrogen gas by the use of a trigger in the handle of the hot air welder. Nitrogen gas is used only when the trigger is depressed, so you don't waste any nitrogen gas. The palm switch is easy to use and can be depressed easily. To set up the welder, hook up the shop's compressed air supply to the back of the welder and plug in the power cord. Before you switch on the power, make sure you have airflow through the torch. You should be able to see the small metal ball floating in the flowmeter in the front of the welder. Adjust the air regulator so that you have the metal ball floating between 12 and 15 liters per minute. Now set up the nitrogen side. First, open the compressed nitrogen bottle and adjust the downstream side of the bottle regulator to 20 psi. Then turn on the main power switch. Hold the trigger down on the handle to establish nitrogen flow. You should be able to feel some flow coming from the torch. Adjust the fine flow control regulator to again get about 12 to 15 liters per minute of flow on the flow meter. Most of the time you'll be welding polypropylene, so set the temperature on level 5. Wait 5 minutes for the welder to achieve proper welding temperature. The airless welder is used to repair polyurethane bumpers and to smooth out thermoplastic welds. Most of the time you can turn the temperature all the way up. The welders are held here in this holster. Normally the holster is inserted in the tube on the cabinet, but for convenience can be moved to the tube on the bumper pads. The Polyvance Bumpersmith 2.0 is a great tool for taking advantage of all of the repair opportunities that exist on plastic parts. With the Bumpersmith, you can repair bumper covers, headlights, and virtually any other plastic on the car for faster cycle time and more profit. Look to Polyvance for all your plastic repair and refinishing needs. Polyvance, the gurus of plastic repair since 1981.